So I guess the question in everybody's minds, it's another weather alert today. What time can we expect the storms to hit?
I think about 6 or 7 o'clock this evening, especially west of I-35, moving east toward the Metroplex. That will likely give us that best time frame to be weather aware. Outside, you'll see it's sunny. We've got a few clouds, temperatures at 75. But your first alert weather headlines, I'm alerting you to that weather alert that will be posted through tonight because we could see some strong and severe storms, damaging winds, hail, heavy rain, and some more wet weather for part of the weekend. Byron Nelson Championship, oh yes indeed, in McKinney. It's going on right now. Temperatures in the 70s as we head toward 1 o'clock this afternoon. Only about a slim chance of a shower, up to about 20%, but those rain chances going up as we head a little bit later on. So about 6, 7, then you'll notice 8, 9 there, 10 o'clock. Those rain chances ramping up because we're going to be watching out for the threat for some strong and severe storms out there with a little impulse of energy in our atmosphere. Here's what we're keeping an eye on. This was updated from the National Weather Service, the Storm Prediction Center, level 1, 2, now 3 risk. That's toward Breckenridge and Graham. Those are some very strong storms that will likely move east, and we'll need to keep an eye on those storms later this evening and tonight. A look at First Alert Futurecast for the rest of the afternoon. Not much out there, but a pop-up shower or storm not out of the question. There goes the forecast at 7 and 7:30 toward Graham, Breckenridge, Mineral Wells there. We need to watch out for some thunderstorms. West of 35, we'll likely have the best chance of seeing showers and storms this evening and tonight. As these storms start making their way toward the Metroplex, that's closer to 10 and 11, they'll start to break up just a little bit, weakening a little bit, but still having a threat for some gusty winds and even some hail and maybe even some heavy rain. Once they move east of 35, they'll really start to weaken, but some of the models keep some energy around in the morning hours tomorrow, about 3 o'clock or so. So I'm going to be in early tomorrow to keep you posted about that. Then we'll get a bit of a break, and then we might actually see some more late day showers and thunderstorms pushing through. This is really an active period. So not only are we talking about showers and storms for today and tonight, but also for part of the weekend. Okay, so this is Saturday. I want you to understand that it's not going to rain from start to finish from Saturday at midnight all the way toward Sunday at 11 o'clock, okay? There will be some breaks in some of the rain, especially Saturday. But late Saturday night into at least the first half of the day on Sunday, we might have our best opportunity to see some heavy rain and maybe a couple stronger thunderstorms. And then through the day on Sunday, which is Cinco de Mayo, we'll likely have a decrease in some of that activity. So just understand, if you have any outdoor activities for Cinco de Mayo, you want to have just a plan B, just in case. First Alert 7-day forecast. Temperatures at 81 degrees for Saturday, 79 for your Sunday. Then look at the low 80s for Monday. And as I step out of the way, I know I really don't want to show you, but 90 degrees, 90, 90, 90 for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.
Okay, and now you're running away. That's not fair, Dennis. Thank you so much.